This is yet another view of the same Thomas Danehy Park of Cambridge, Massachusetts. It's beautiful. It's all green and nice place to spend some time, do morning walk and other kinds of exercise. You can play games here and everything is there. Now let me see how much I can zoom this thing. Is it going too fast? Probably it is. Okay, that's big applause is going on. Maybe it was a 4. I could not focus the camera on the game right on time, so I missed it. Let me see if I can catch it this time. No, no touch. But they are running for a bye run. That's a bye. That's a bye run. Okay. All right. That's a good hit to the square leg region. I don't know who's fielding, but there were fielders there. The bag has already come back to the bowler. All right. So, okay, soccer going on here. In this part of the park, they have, I think, 4 soccer fields. And a game of soccer is going on right now, right here. Where is the ball though? I don't know. Everybody's waiting, sort of. Where is the ball? Are they waiting for some kind of kick? There is the ball. Now it is being played. There. Now the ball has been passed on to this man in orange jersey, and there is some kind of kick from here. There, saved by the goalkeeper. They are near the goal area. Oh, that must be foul. That must be foul. Okay, I think the referee has declared it a foul, and a free kick will be taken on now, right there. And somebody is moving for the ball. And there. Okay. We got the idea. They are playing soccer right here. Now this is another game of soccer going on right in the middle of the track area. I'll show the running tracks soon, but let me see. A free kick is being taken. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. There. Come, 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 come. Boom. All right. There this man is running. Let me take his picture now. He's a serious runner. He is practicing for some kind of race, or is just for exercise. I don't know. But this is the track where people run to do exercise. There he is. There he goes. I think he's a pretty good sportsman. He has been running here for some time now. I did notice that he completed at least a couple of laps before I started taking his picture. He is now on the other side of this football field. There he goes. And I'll see if I can zoom him in. Yes, I can. Can you guys see him? Where is he? My camera is shaking a bit because it's far away from me. These are the big tall buildings behind the park in the refreshment area. I think it's housing for low-income people. And that's the running track, and that's where the game of soccer is going on. There's the man coming, running. Let me see. Yep, he's coming. He's a serious runner. I don't know how many laps he has completed, but I have seen him doing at least 4 laps right now, right here. He's a good sportsman. Good luck to him. And those are the hurdles. This is the general view of the park. I'll just pan across. That's the cricketers playing cricket, but I'm going to ignore them this time. Let them be very small. I'm trying to take a general view of the park. Let me zoom in a little bit. That's another game of cricket going on there. And those are the buildings on the other side of the park. Come on boys, come on, easy game boys, come on. Keep balling boys. This boy is shouting too much. Alright. Balling man. Keeping balling. Alright. But I'm not doing a good job of photography here. I know I'm shaking the camera too much. I think I'm shaking the camera too much and it's all blurred, but that's okay. This is only the first day and this is supposed to be trial. Alright, let me see if I can catch him bowling. Now that's the batsman made a shot and they are running. So one run has been taken. That's the way to go, boys. Come on. Bowling, man. Okay, that's enough. I'm going to close it now. So that's one of the signs inside the park. On the left side there's the pedestrian trail, on the right side the bike trail, and near Danehy Park it says City of Cambridge Parks. This is just inside the entrance of the park. Just I think it's a pump house and they have drawn some pictures on its wall just to decorate it and to make the place look colorful.